Hi, I'm Aldi of the SeAHABS Dev team, and welcome again to the SeAHABS Training Course 1. Today, I'll teach you how to access the SeAHABS Viewer using a QR code on a CamScanner app. In your mobile phone, look for the CamScanner icon and click on it. It will open, and then look for the camera icon and click on it. Then, you need to swipe left until you see the More menu and click the QR code icon. Then, scan the SeAHABS Viewer code. Then, a pop-up screen will appear and then click Open URL. Now, the SeAHABS Viewer will now start to load and wait for it to load completely. A splash screen will appear once the SeAHABS Viewer have loaded completely. The splash screen is used for making announcement regarding data outage or new features of the SeAHABS Viewer. After reading the announcement on the splash screen, you just click OK. And now you are ready to navigate the SeAHABS Viewer. And that's it. That's how easy to access the SeAHABS Viewer using a mobile phone and a QR code. If you have any questions or clarifications, don't hesitate to post on our stream tab or on our Freedom wall. And don't forget to explore, navigate, and share the SeAHABS Viewer. See you in the next session.